This Orion 910 Deep Depth Pinless Wood Moisture Meter Kit features the Orion 910, which is designed to build upon the capabilities of the popular Wagner meter it replaces. The Orion 910 takes moisture readings in your wood or other material from the surface down to 0.75 inches in depth. A flexible rubber boot makes the 910 durable enough to withstand your toughest jobs. The Orion 910 joins the rest of the Orion line of meters in being the first in the industry to provide true in-the-field calibration capability with the included On-Demand Calibrator. Calibrate your Orion 910 at your location in about 30 seconds whenever you want. The Orion line of wood moisture meters continues Wagner's 50-plus year tradition of providing accurate, dependable, non-damaging pinless moisture measurement technology. Measuring in the wood, not just on the wood. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fast selection species settings. With simple up, down arrow buttons, your Orion meter can be easily and quickly set for the wood species you need to measure. Plus, the range of settings accommodates practically any softwood or hardwood species in the world. The Orion 910 can also be user-configured to measure some non-solid wood products such as plywood, OSB, or MDF. The Orion line even has settings information for many bamboo flooring products. Number 2. Virtually unaffected by temperature. Every Orion pinless meter is virtually unaffected by the temperature of the wood or the environment. Unlike pin meters, Orion's sensing technology does not need correction or adjustment to account for the temperature of the wood. Number 3. Non-damaging pinless sensor. Every Orion meter features electromagnetic wave technology, a non-damaging way to quickly and accurately measure the moisture content of wood or other materials. Compared to pin meters, the pinless sensor technology of the Orion line of meters does not damage the wood and also eliminates the frustrations and costs of broken pins, common with pin-type meters. Number 4. Orion 910 Deep Depth Pinless Moisture Meters featuring accuracy, versatility, and quality. Number 5. Built with a non-damaging pinless sensor, IntelliSense technology, and backed with a 7-year warranty. Number 6. Every Orion meter comes with an on-demand calibrator to easily calibrate your meter. Number 7. Easily set the wood species you need to measure. Includes a relative measurement mode for non-solid wood measurement applications on treated wood, drywall, and other materials, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.